Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Zen binary and required permissions. Run which Zen or Zen version to verify. Once confirmed, open a terminal, and if needed, gain elevated rights with sudo. This avoids permission errors later. Now invoke Zen help to display available commands and flags. Pay attention to common flags like config and verbose so you know where to pass settings. This first step gets you immediately into the tool while ensuring you can read options and avoid trivial startup failures. Next, configure Zen for your session. Create or edit /. ZenRC and set the essential keys you observed from help. Then run your intended task using Zen run task name and append flags such as timeout 30s to prevent long hangs. Once done, make sure to preview actions with dry run or add verbose so you see detailed output and logs. These middle steps let you validate behavior, tweak config values, and iterate quickly until the command performs exactly as expected. To finish, confirm success by inspecting Zen output and logs, open /. Zen/logs or the file specified with log file. If you need to revert changes, run Zen revert ID task ID or use the tool's rollback command. Once done, clean temporary files and export the final config if needed. If things go wrong, first increase timeouts and rerun with verbose to capture errors. If that fails, check for typos in config keys and permissions, because those are the most common causes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.